Okay, I'm going to do a quick little video here on one of my projects I've got to finish up here today. If you have a late 98 Dodge up to 2001, 2002 I think, of a 3/4 and 1 ton with the crew cab with the back doors, and your latches go bad, you need to replace them. Now my lower latch on my rear door on the driver's side, this guy right here, went bad and was no longer latching here and was only latching on the top latch right there with my fingers in the way. And that's kind of important because that holds this door, which would be a driver's door or the passenger door on that side. So over here we have the old latch. It's 3 10mm bolts. This one here I got off of Flea Bay for 20 bucks. You're going to have to take your door panel off. And then there is, inside here, is a little vent that's held on with this plastic clip. You need to get that guy out of the way. And then, see if I can shine the light for you. There goes my wrench. Got to disconnect this rod. Install the new latch through the bottom. Hopefully I'm catching that. And these are just 10mm bolts. And on this replacement one, this one here has Allen heads. And this mess here had Torx. As you can see, it's extremely worn up. So basically, once you get to this point, this just goes up here into the bottom of the door. Secure these, secure these nuts, 10mm nuts, into the door. Tighten them up. Hook that rod up. Clip it with this clip, which they put in backwards, so I guess it doesn't matter. And that's it. Probably the hardest part of this whole deal is carefully getting your door panel off, because you'll leave these little guys behind here, these plastic clips. And I just got some of those on Flea Bay, and they're absolutely horrible. They were hard plastic. Don't recommend them. These are more like a nylon. So anyway, this just goes up through the bottom. These studs will poke through. Put the 10mm nuts back on. Hook up your cable. Put your door panel back on. If you need to do any adjustment, loosen these 2 bolts right here. Torx head bolts. Get your door to close securely. Reassemble your back door panel. And you're in business. Okay, this is just a quick down and dirty video. If anybody's got an old Dodge like this Dodge 25 years old, still runs like a champ. This is the one I built, my diesel swap, and putting a new latch in it. So I hope this helps somebody. If you have one of these vehicles, that's how you do it. Take your door panel off, pop this little vent out of here, 10mm wrench inside, Torx or Allen on the bottom if need be, unclick it, clip it rather, put the new one in, you're good to go. Alright, I got to get after it because the sun's coming over the building baking me. Hope this helps somebody.